The smell of just-baked bread, rolls, and muffins, or the taste of a fresh pastry is hard to resist. Bakers measure and mix ingredients according to recipes, bake the dough in ovens, and decorate and finish the final products. Large commercial bakeries and bakeries in hotels and restaurants may turn out thousands of items daily, while neighborhood and supermarket bakeries turn out smaller quantities, just enough to supply their local customers. Bakers must have a keen sense of taste and smell. An artistic flair for creating new items is a plus. Bakers work as a team, often in cramped and hot conditions, and spend many hours on their feet. Physical stamina is needed to handle the large sacks of flour and sugar, as well as the mixing equipment. Excellent personal hygiene is a must. In many states, bakers must possess a health certificate. Many bakers start out as helpers and should have a high school diploma. As they learn simple tasks, they move on to more responsible ones, improving their skills while working. Completing a program at a trade school or an apprenticeship program may significantly improve employment possibilities or may increase starting wages. Bakers often start their day in the middle of the night. Those who do not mind the hours and enjoy working in the kitchen could become one of these magicians who transform simple ingredients into delicious foods.